Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 257 Fisherman. This boat is color is Seaport Blue and powered by twin Yamaha 200 4-strokes. So we go through the boat on the transom, get a really large transom fish box. Get a very large transom live well. Does have a freshwater sprayer. This is going to have the fold out bench seat, Yeti cooler with a slide, storage with all of your tackle, knife holders, plier holders, and plenty of rod storage on the leaning post and up under the hardtop. As you can see under the hardtop, it is Seaport Blue to match the color of the hull. Nice storage bag, electronics box, light. A big area here on the console to put either a single or dual screen, Fusion stereo, trim tabs with indicators, tilt wheel steering, and as we come forward, it does have the dual engine flush systems inside the boat. Big console with head down below and storage. As we move forward, you've got loungers forward, seating forward, and a flip around backrest. Up front, you've got a windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 257 Fisherman. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.